Hi guys, welcome to the Advent and this is Nixon. Today we are going to solve a new problem from Geeks4Geeks, detect loop in linked list. Given a linked list of n nodes, the task is to check if the linked list has a loop. Linked list can contain self loop. Let me explain this problem guys. Initially we will be given a linked list with some values, with some nodes. We have to check whether the linked list contains loop or not. If we detect any loop, we have to return true. If we doesn't detect any loop, we have to directly return false. What is a loop? Let me explain that. I'll take 4 as my example. The next of the 4 is, if the next of the 4 is 1, it is considered as loop. If the next of the 4 is 3, it is considered as loop. A loop is nothing but any of the node is connected with a node which is previous to the particular node. Let me repeat again. Any of the node is connected with a node which is previous to the particular node. If this node is connected to any of these nodes, we will be directly returning true. It is a loop. So yeah guys, let's start our problem. And initially I am creating a hash set here because hash sets don't accept any duplicate values, so I am using hash set here. And the main thing was, if we find any duplicate values here, it is considered as loop. For example, if the 4.next equal to 3 is a duplicate value of this. So if we find any duplicate value, it is considered as loop. So this is what the procedure we are going to do. We are going to check whether each node contains any duplicate value or not. If we found any duplicate value, we are going to directly return true. If we doesn't find any duplicate values, and if it fulfills the corner cases, we are going to directly returning false. Yeah, let's start. If equal to null, it's a corner case. Equal to null, we are going to return directly. And then else part, I'm going to create a node current equal to head. Then here, while current not equal to null, current equal to current dot next here, and here set contains that particular current node. We should directly add that node here, and in the else part, directly we are going to return and if it comes out of the loop, we are going to return false. Let's check guys. Yeah, return false here. Yes guys. Yeah guys, and it's successful, and thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to Advent, and if you had any suggestions, please don't hesitate to comment us guys. Thank you guys, bye bye.